Hey, it's Sealy Clark here. Just wanted to do a quick video so you could put a face to the name. If you're watching this video, it's chances are we've been talking in some way, shape, or form via text, via email, on the phone, whatever. And most of the folks watching this are going to be those that joined off my link. I followed up with them via email, of course. That'll come into play here. And we talked more, and you're looking to join and start making money with this. So I want to be completely transparent and upfront about exactly what you're getting when you choose to invest in yourself and start your business. And I'm going to be completely honest. I'm doing this full time. I'm blessed, lucky enough to be working online full time. Traveling all over the place with my wife in our RV. Living a life of our dreams. I want good things for you too, but I also, I'm not going to be a butthead about it. I'm going to tell you exactly what you do and don't get so that you can make a decision for yourself on what you want to do, okay? These videos are pretty real. I got a faucet going behind me that I either left on or now there's a slight leak in it. It happens. You may hear people beat on the door and hear somebody outside working because, I'm in a nice RV park, so sometimes they go crazy and go by with a golf cart. So anyhow, back to this. I'm going to show you exactly what you do get. Okay, first thing is this is a dummy account I created. I've been all I've been all in. Like I said, doing this full time, so my back office looks different than yours is gonna, because if you're a free member, yours looks a little bit different, and I want to show you because it's important. Okay, but let me back up just a second and show you. You're going to go to nowlifestyle.com, okay? It's going to show you this page right here, and you either still have your username. If you don't, you can ask me. I can help you find it. Since you joined through me and you must have entered that at some point, I can probably help you find it. I don't have your password or anything like that. They tell you, when someone joins you, even if it's for free, part of what they give you is their username and their name and their email, so you can follow up with them like I'm doing now. So I may have that. I can help you. But the quickest way, if I'm tied up doing something, doing one of these videos or whatever, or if it's 2 in the morning where you are, if you're on the other side of the world or whatever, you can go up here, okay, 24/7. This is nowlifestyle.com. You go up here to this mustard colored tab, okay, online live chat. Tell them who you are. Tell them your username. Or just tell them who you are and talk to them about getting your username or your password. Or if you know your username, just getting your password. They really, really great people, really easy to work with. They've helped me through some stuff, in the beginning, and they're awesome. So now once you do get everything straightened out, you'll go to a login page, okay? That looks like, as soon as it loads, here we go. That it looks like this. Okay, all sorts of pretty, and it's got the box, and that's where you put your username and your password. Not this one, because that's me. But username, password, and you click log in, and it's going to bring you to your free account, which is going to look like this. Okay, dashboard. That's where you're at. That's where they start you out at. Oh, for the love of Pete, it logged me out. I paused it. All right, let me try this again. Super real video, like I said. Oh my goodness. I turned my air conditioner off too because I can do this video so it doesn't sound like I have a jet engine over my head, so you can actually hear me. So I'll be sweating bullets here for a little while down here in Florida, but I love it. I'm from Maine and I love Florida. Nice and warm. Joints don't hurt. So anyhow, signing into my free demo account, since my back office looks different than yours. Well, obviously that's why I use this one for demonstration purposes. Now, I'm going to be upfront, like I said. I probably repeat myself, but whatever. It is going to cost you money if you want to start promoting this and work in your business, but we give you actual products, and it's not as expensive as you think. Going to be upfront. Your best bet, I'll show you, is the $50 a month package, straight up. Okay, short version of the marketing plan that I have for you right now. all your lead capture pages, when you upgrade to that 50 a month, you get the Now Body package. I'll explain more about that later. You get the autoresponder. I'll explain more about that later. I don't want to, overwhelm you with technical BS. And you have the ability, you have all your reseller tools, okay? They have at the company done for you lead capture pages. All you have to do is take it. It's coded to you. Go paste it into advertising sources to get leads to your leads campaign. Once your leads come in, this is all done for you, mind you. You'll be able to see them, which I'll show you some other time, and you'll be able to follow up with them. Now, that 50-month package, like I said, gets you the autoresponder, the Now Body, and of course it's for the maintenance and upkeep of your reseller tools. So, that infrastructure, all that, technical crap. But when people join at the 50 a month level, like you get half. Super simple. You're paying $50 a month. You get 2 people that join at $25 a piece. You break even. You're paying $50 a month for your business expenses, but you're making $50 a month from those 2 people. So you break even and you can go from there. So it's pretty simple. I'm going to show you right now what the heck I'm talking about Now Body and about the autoresponder, but all I can tell you is, they send follow-up emails on your behalf. So your job is to go out, copy and paste your links into advertising sources, which I can show you, okay? And then when you get leads, you can follow up with them. The company follows up on your behalf, giving them encouragement to upgrade and giving them your affiliate links. So they're mailing on your behalf, So this is the headquarters in Schertz, Texas. I've been there myself. If you want to see videos of me in there working out and spending time with Joel and being a doofus and showing you all around the place, I'd be more than happy to provide that for you. That's in Schertz, Texas. It's on the nowlifestyle.com page here. Well, not here. The main page I showed you. You can look all around and you can see him and the business, and you got a number there you can call. I probably already told this to you anyhow, but I'm going to show you the reseller tools. That $50 a month package that I keep running my yap about, because I'm honest, will get you these things that I'm about to show you, okay? So it says, since you're a free member, this wouldn't show this in my tank, in my back office, you hit upgrade. I think I hit upgrade. Wake up. Hello. Alright, so now be warned, this video here that pops on takes forever to load, then it pops on and Joel scares the crap out of you, so be prepared. There's Joel.
Hey folks, Joel here.
So, very nice man. Very nice man, he's just awesome. I went down, I have a finely tuned BS detector. I went from Maine to Texas to check him out, check his business out and everything. So, anyhow, that $50 a month, this is what it gets you. Health and wellness package for you and 5 family members, okay? I might have run my app about that. Receive your own workout schedule, video workout library, customized for each family member. Okay, you can customize this. You do your age, not to get too involved, but I'm telling you, it's a real product, and you can help other people, give it to them. 5 friends, a family member. I already give it to one of my buddies that I grew up with. You enter of course, your name, your weight, your age, your goals, all that stuff, whether you work out at home or with bands, and it tailor fits all this to you. Okay. Then there's the autoresponder. Okay. Drag and drop, simple. No technical skills needed. Like I said, if you can copy and paste, and you can follow my rambling self on a video when I show you what to do, or anything like that. If I happen to give you personal videos, then you're good to go. And they also have videos on the inside, which I will show you, because once you upgrade to the $50 a month package, they'll have videos on the left-hand side of your back office. They can go from soup to nuts. They show you how to do things in order. Okay, so it's really simple. You can start building your Now Lifestyle business immediately. Copy and paste your links, get them out there. People join you. They go into your lead campaign. You can mail them once you learn how. Okay, the company mails them on your behalf. Like I said, using your links, of course, encouraging them to upgrade. And that's what your $50 a month gets you. It gets you the Now body, gets you the autoresponder, and it pays for the upkeep of your reseller links and back office and all that stuff in there, because it does cost money to have, I think we got 37,000 people in the Facebook group alone, so at least that many, if not more. That's just who's in the Facebook group. That does cost money to upkeep those tools for us to use, all that done for you stuff. So that's where your money goes. No ifs, ands, or buts. That's what's up. And that's the shortest version. There are other top tier products that people can buy and so on and so forth. I don't give a crap about that right now. I want to show you how to build your business on a shoestring. It is less expensive than you think. It's $50 a month. Once you get to, yours is essentially free because you make $25 a month off of the people that join at the $50 a month level. Simple. Okay, so that's what you get. Now, down here in the middle, there's all sorts of different pricing and everything. I'm not a technical whiz. I'm going to just tell you what I went with. Don't pay any attention to any of this if you don't want to. Oh my God, my computer's sticking. Just go down here. It says, yes, I want it all for $50 a month. That's the simplest, most streamlined way to do it, okay? That's it. So now you know exactly what you do get, exactly what we offer, exactly what the price costs. For those of us that aren't made out of money, you can have yourself an international, health and wellness business coached by this dude. He's a 9-figure earner, okay? I know that sounds ridiculous to some people, but he knows his stuff. He wants to help. He cares. I see it in his eyes. I see it in his brain. I sit down and talk to him, and he's always thinking about how to make this more simple, how to make it easier and more cost effective and all that. So, and the other thing is, right now I'm going to touch upon, they have physical products. It's super simple. It's not all this high-tech crap. It's teaching people how to up their fiber, up their protein, and use those short duration, high-intensity workouts to their ability level and to feel better and live longer, So, anyway, I'm going to log into my account now. It's going to look a little different, but I wanted to show you what you get, for your money if you choose to, come on board with us. Like I said, I do this full time, so I'm no joke. I can help you. So now it looks pretty much the same. The only thing is, what you'll see is when you go to reseller tools, this is a dashboard. It looks pretty much the same. You hit reseller tools. As soon as it loads, you're going to have on the left hand side, and you see that's me, Sealy Clark. This is really my account. And you'll have all your stuff you need, and we'll teach you how to use here. Okay, it'll open up all this stuff for you. But what I want to show you is the business part from your dashboard. I get ahead of myself. Okay, dashboard, business. Let's say you bought the $50 a month. You now have the autoresponder. You have the Now body, and you have your your done for you lead capture pages. They show you on the left hand side. Start here first. How to start earning quickly, which I basically in my native Maine way told you how to. But watch all these videos. How to start earning quickly. How to set up your lead capture system, how to get traffic. Make sure you join the Facebook group, Free Traffic Sources. It talks about mindset. Sometimes this can be overwhelming to people. They talk about mindset, how to grow your business, and make sure you attend webinars for getting your questions answered, getting support. Joel does a webinar. I think he does a webinar one part of the week. Richard and John, my mentors, they're rocking out an amazing amount. They're doing well in the business too. Let me put it to you that way. They're my mentors. Richard, taught me a lot, and they do that on Wednesday. And Janet Legere, who's an absolutely wonderful lady, she's just right full of piss and vinegar. She also does a webinar, so you get webinars 3 times a week. They get a quick start guide. Once you're in your office, and I believe you can do this, of course you can do this from your free member area. If you're a free member right now and you want to learn more, aside from me running my face, go to your free members area, join the Now Lifestyle Facebook group, join the fan page, then hit me up, because my team, Richard and John, and everybody in our dream team, have our own private Facebook group, because you'd be a part of my team, our team. So we have places for you to get more questions answered in case I rambled on and it, was bugging the crap out of you, or you missed something, or I didn't explain something well enough, So anyway, I hope that gives you, an idea of exactly what we're talking about. Like I said, honest, upfront, transparent, sweating my beans off over here because I wanted you to hear with no air conditioner above me in my RV with my sink, with, running water because I got to go mess with that a little bit. Anyways, $50 a month, you can have yourself a business in a box with a business that actually helps people, teach people how to eat more fiber, eat more protein, and work out a short duration and help them live longer. And they give you the tools you need. It's all done for you, and they mail on your behalf. And you have me to help. And you have, Richard, John, Joel. Anyway, that's all for now. Hope I didn't make your brain hurt, and I really do wish you the best. And until I talk to you again, you have a good one. See ya. Bye.